Okay, the last thing I want to show you is not so much a skill but a process. Looking at past first year exhibitions of model making, the thing that stood out was not the quality of the design, but the fact that a lot of the buildings were on the piss. That is a technical term for the fact that nothing is straight and square. The reason for this was mostly due to the fact that students had built beautiful bases and then tried to cut the buildings to the same shape as the landform rather than cutting the building into the landform. Okay, so you should be able to see a sketch. This is a cross section of what could probably be described as a typical Sydney block. We have an elevated surface which is sloped. Now, as I said, students were having built a base that was like this. They were then trying to build buildings that had this sort of bottom cut into it, and the end result was buildings that were not straight and square. Now, I'm hoping as architectural students, you've actually seen houses being built. And on a block like this in Sydney, the first thing we do is we dig a hole. And that's exactly what you should do. You should remove all of this and create a flat plane to sit your building on, just as you would if you were building a house. And you want to pick a point which is easy to calculate. So if the height of this is 42, RL 42 at that level, and RL 38 at that level, we might pick 38 or 39, a whole number, to base our calculations from. So from there we know that whatever height that is, we have to add, say, a metre to take it from 40.35 to 39. If you do this, your models will end up straight and true. And just remember, you get a lot more marks for your design and the look of your building than you do for the quality of the base.